Hi friends! Welcome to Regina Caeli School. Now, I would like to show you our environment. Are you ready? Here we go! This is our principal room. They are Miss Esti and Mr. Dito inside the room. This is our playground. We can play together here later. Play nicely, please. Wow! Look at the swimming pool. Do you want to swim here? You can join swimming extracurricular in Regina Caeli School. And then, please tell your teachers if you feel sick or unwell. You can take a rest here. This is our computer room. We can play game, drawing, or coloring using computer. Do you like reading a book? There are so many books in the library. Where is your voice playgroup students? Here is your classroom. Look, so great, right? And you will learn and play with Miss Us. What about you, KG1? Are you curious with your class? Here we go. You will learn and play with Miss Ita. And this is KG2 class. Can't wait to learn and play with you here. And then you will play and learn with Miss Nia. Friends, let's go upstairs. This is KGB1 class. You will learn and play with Miss Ari. Next to the KGB1 class is KGB2 class. You will learn and play with Miss Justin. Wow, this is our toilet. So clean. And before going inside to the class, we usually sing song together in the playground. And thank you.